Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free, $99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let's get into the video. So today we'll be tracking our expenses from last week. It is now a new week, so let's get those tracking expenses out the way. Let's go ahead and start on our credit card. The credit card that we use is the Saver card. And this is I put a little sticker down here to encourage myself to not use more than down to here of the sheet, okay? We're playing mind games out here in these streets. Currently, we have $36.85 on the card. If you look really closely, which I know y'all can't see, it's so annoying, that it's $101.85. That's actually pending. So most of our grocery money is gone, honey. But we're gonna just use what we got in the moment. So right now, I believe these three charges after our last payment here for $3.63. One was Kroger. What did I buy for $3.63? Plus $23.56 plus $9.66. I know exactly what I bought. It's $36.85, right? And so $36.85. So we know what transactions we are working with. I do know what I bought for $3.63. It was actually some garlic bread, which I honestly have not eaten yet. 10.3 Kroger or groceries. And that was for $3.63, equal a total of $3.63. Then same day, well, I don't think that was the same day, but the next day it was Walmart. We'll do whatever it says though. And that was groceries. And that was $23.56. So $3.63 plus $23.56 leaves us with $27.19. And then if we add the $9.66, we should get the total, which is $36.85. Now, this $9.66 is actually household because this was Listerine mouthwash, toothpaste. You believe that? $9.66 for just some mouthwash and toothpaste. That is crazy to me. Anyway, Walmart, and it's going to household same day. All right, and that will cover all the transactions. So let's just go ahead now that we have those written out. Let's go ahead and make our payment. So coming out of the cashless envelope, we're going to have the first two transactions, which are actually groceries. And that's the only money that's in the cashless envelopes right now is the groceries. So we need to pay $27.19 out of groceries. $27.19. And we need to choose our cashless envelope money. Right there, there's $200.90 in that, so not for long. And that'll be for today. Submit the payment. Thank you for your payment. So successfully, we've made these two payments, and now we got to go ahead and make another payment for Walmart for the toothbrush and things like that, and that was $9, not toothbrush, toothpaste, and 66 cents, which will be the rest of the money. And then that will come out of household, which I think has 40. Yeah, it has 4106, so it will be fine to be covered. I'm trying not to use too much of that, but you need to brush your teeth, so. And because I know it's going to be time to bulk buy stuff in a minute, so that's okay though. Thank you for your payment, success. So we have made all the payments for these three. Next, let's move on. We're done with this. So let's grab our cash wallet. Oh my gosh, I got Happy Mail. I completely forgot, which, baby, we need it. We need it. We need it. Because the way these, so my girl Celista, she felt bad for me. She did. She did. She saw me with these envelopes struggling. Y'all see them. They're having a hard time. They're just not, they lasted most of the year though. So let's be real. Shout out to Lisa who made these for me. I've had these all year. So the fact they've made it all the way into fourth quarter is a word on its own, but they need to be upgraded. So I know Lisa said she was going to send me some. So let's go and open that package so that we can go ahead and use those today while we track and update our envelopes. She did ask me if I wanted like some clear or some clear glossy or some clear matte, but I saw some cute green ones that she had on her channel, and I actually like, y'all know I love my earth tones, so therefore I was like, oh no, let me get those. And she's like, sure. Oh my gosh, she sent me a bookmark. So this is too much. Okay. Her shop will be linked down below as always. Literally always talking about her. That's where this bookmark came from. I don't know what I do with my Faith Over Fear, which is a vibe. I must have put it like in my stash. But this little, look at this. We're switching them out. Look at these little poodles. Cute little thank you for supporting my business. Packaged very nicely. For someone sending me happy mail, like, I don't expect a freebie. I just expect you to throw it on in the bag, girl. Throw it on in the bag. Just throw it in the bag. Oh, you guys. All right. You know I love my girl. You know I love my girl. But we're going to put the little doggy on. Hello. Hello. Hello, Munchkin. Okay. That's it. Y'all help me name the dog. Because all I can think of is Fluffy. And I feel like we could do better. All right, so here are these envelopes. I love them. Look how pretty they are. They're such a good, y'all know I love my sage greens and my oranges, and they're giving everything I wanted. Let's hope they fit though, because this little wallet is a little weird. Let's take these out. Okay. And as we go, let me put these in order and I'll be back. All right, so let's get started. So as far as gas goes, this is full, so that's garbage. But we had $120 and I put $18 in, so we should have $102 left on gas. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2. We do have $102 left in gas. Thank you for your service. To the garbage you go. Let's put them in a new wallet. I'm way too excited. Way too excited. Ooh, they crisp. Let me just drop in the money first. Ooh. Ooh, will this fit? Because this thing is kind of long. Yeah, I figured. So I will just be trimming these down, which I had to do for a couple other envelopes, which is absolutely fine with me. Like that, like so. Good. No, not good. Not this side, because I will not be showing y'all this part for all of them, but just know I had to do that. But now they fit perfectly. Boom. Okay, so that's one down, gas down, and actually I need to write it down. I got a little excited. We got a little excited now. We got to actually do the work. Okay, so that was $10.05. We had $18 and that was for gas. And that will be $36.85 plus 18. We're at a total of $54.85. And that was cash, so that was clear. Next, we're going to go to giving. Ooh, poor giving. It just split right open. The garbage is right next to me. So I'm just going to throw it out now. It says for giving, we had originally put $40. And my coworker was admiring a pair of earrings that I was wearing. So I went to the store and bought her the same earrings. So they were $6. I think this is off a little bit though. For some reason, I'm missing $2 in this. $10.05. Oh, why does it say 15? $10.05. And that was giving. Earrings. And that was for $6. And so plus $6 is $60.85. And that was also cash. So we should have $34 left, but I think we only have 32. 10, 20, 25, yeah. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. For some reason, we only have $32. I don't know where these $2 went, so I'm just going to minus 2 and put 32. And then I'm just going to put $2 here as like, I don't know, miscellaneous. Maybe I gave somebody $2 and don't remember. I don't even remember doing it. $2, girl. We only need a calculator. $62.85. So that's what we're gonna call it, just so that we add up correctly. So there's $32 left in this. All right, $32 left in giving. Let's put that back in here. Okay. And then we have eating out. Girl, listen to me. We went ham. Thank you for your service. We went ham with the eating out, y'all. Legit. I went eating out twice rather than once. So we started with $80 and we went to I went to Wingstop on 10/6 for $14, left us with $66. Then on 10/4, I went to Family Dollar and Moe's. Family Dollar, I spent $5, left me with $61, and at Moe's, I spent $15, left me with $46. So let me go ahead and write that in right now. 10/6, Wingstop, or Wing Hut. Eating out, I'm not changing it. Eating out. And this first one was $14. So I gotta add the $2. So the $62.85 plus $14 is $76.85. I don't really love this calculator. I know it's new, but I feel like you can't see the numbers in all lighting, and I don't like that. So this other eating out was Family Dollar, and I'm pretty sure that was probably snacks. And that was 10/4 and 10/4. And then this other eating out was Moe's. I actually love going to Moe's for a burrito. So that may be like one of my new things, where before I was JJ fishing it up. $5 for Family Dollar and then $15 for Moe's. So $76.85 plus 5 is $81.85. And then plus 15, we're at $96.85. So according, these are all cash, so they would have gone through. This says we should have $46 left. So 20, 45, 6. That was easy. $46 left in eating out. So I probably need to skip eating out this week just so I can catch up. Right now I'm not seeing any extra money except in gas. I didn't even look at that yet. I might not look. I think I'm not gonna look at like what's left to do a savings challenge until next week or this weekend coming up. Have fun. Still has all its money. I didn't spend it, although I'm considering spending it on thank you for your service. I'm considering spending it on, what was I gonna say, shoes, because right now I need fall essentials like little boots and shoes and things like that. And if I don't spend it on actual fun, I might use that for that, because this is gonna have to go to another purpose, which we'll talk about later very soon. $40 is what's left in fun. Haven't spent any money in that category yet. I believe I've used any money in self-care yet. Thank you for your service. I sometimes will keep 1 or 2 envelopes, but then I realize it makes no sense because I'm not going to mix and match my envelopes. See, even with that one, it's kind of weird. Self-care, we had $80 and we still have $80, or we should have $80. I haven't gone yet. Usually go towards the end of the month. $20, $40, $60, $80 still in self-care. Thank you again so much, Celissa, for these envelopes. Thank you for seeing my video and thinking of me enough to say, hey, that girl, she's not that bad. She is not that bad. It doesn't need to be like this. So I love you. I thank you very much. Open sesame, but fighting with new envelopes. You know, they got to get broken in. They're not broken in yet. And I'm trying to be delicate because I have a tendency to be kind of rough with my things. And I want these to last the rest of the year. So back to bank is kind of like my miscellaneous. Y'all know if I had to bring something back, then it would go in miscellaneous, or I would put it in credit card. But look at credit card. Look at this. Credit card is kind of like back to bank. Groceries I'm going to put up because right now groceries is being used online. However, I'm asked her to make me one of these just because with groceries, if it ever gets super tight, I would rather have my groceries in cash. Right now, it's been working okay, but I do not like fighting with the cash at the grocery store. But listen, if we have to, then we will, because the way grocery prices are rising, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. But right now, I'm still okay. Yeah, that's okay. So when we did I throw it away? Child. Okay, so this was actually our challenge that we completed for the Ready for Fall. That was this money. I left it in here to put it back in the bank, but it did not end up happening. And I ended up saying to myself, Tara, you know who you are. Just if you're going to go shopping, just go ahead and use the cash. Because if you don't use the cash, you're going to probably overspend. So what I ended up doing was I'm not going to add that to my general because that doesn't have anything to do with that. But I want to share with you on 9/30. Ready for Fall, I had $100. I went to Goodwill on 10/5 and spent $22 on like 3 items, a suit and 2 different things. And you guys will probably see a short on that, and that left me with $78. Then I went to Target and spent $53 because I bought some $20 shoes, like flats, and I bought a t-shirt. And I bought a doormat because my doormat is about 3, 4, 5 million years old. And it's looking really bad. There are these neighborhood cats that are out and about. And they just come and do the little paw thing and mess up my rug. We ain't even here to talk about that. But I should have $25 left in that category after that. So 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I still have $25 left in this, which is good because I still need some boots. Although I saw these really cute snake print flats and they did not have, well, they had a 9.5, which was my size. However, you know, when your heel just right there, I didn't want that. I was like, I want a little bit more room, but they didn't have any 10s and I was really sad. But I did not get it because I was like, girl, that's not going to be cute. That's not going to be cute. So let's see if these fit in our wallet. We're all restuffed. Again, thank you so much, Alyssa. She probably hates this. She hates recognition. She probably didn't want to tell nobody that she gave it to me and blah, blah, blah. But I'm sorry. I'm very grateful. We are a part of the Wet Grateful Gang, gang, gang. So we're always going to be grateful for what is given to us. I love you. Mean it. Oh, they fit. Ew, and they fit. They were meant to be. Thank you, Lord. Okay, guys, we're done. Thank you so very much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, to take over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. If you have made it this far, and you've watched more than 1 or 2 of my videos, I would really urge you to subscribe. If you made it this far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to help me name the cute little doggy, okay? It's a new mascot for the new quarter, okay? Amen. All right. Bye. Just love you, mean it. Bye.